Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, and it's happened, finally. I kind of expected these to come out. It's the instant savings, new instant savings, going through March 5th. So it looks like they're kind of back to normal with their timelines. Roughly, they were going about they were doing double cycles as opposed to coming out with new instant savings. But let's jump in. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing, and we'll just go through them. Classic review of the instant savings. First, Bauer 20 volt, 5 amp hour high capacity lithium ion battery bundle 2-pack. Not Shakur, $90, $40 off. It's pretty decent. Pittsburgh Automotive plastic fastener kit, 240 piece, $13, 27% off. So far, so good with the percentages off. 27% off is also really good. Predator 1800 watt gas powered portable generator with CO secure technology, $300, $350 normally, $50 off. 3.6 Rock-In. Bauer 6-gallon 4-peak horsepower wet dry vacuum, $50, normally $55, 9% off. That is a Dyatlov deal. Viking 2.8 15-amp automatic microprocessor controlled battery charger, $65, normally $69.99, 7% off. Another Dyatlov deal. There is graphite on the floor. Kenway 12-volt LED trailer light kit, $35, normally $40, 12% off. Viking 4-amp fully automatic microprocessor controlled battery charger maintainer, $35, 12% off as well. McGraw 6-gallon 150 psi oil-free pancake job site air compressor, $117, normally $130, $13 off. Jupiter 2000 watt continuous 4000 watt peak modified sine wave power inverter, $140, $10 off. Bauer 8.5 amp half-inch impact wrench with 2-inch extended anvil, $60, 25% off, normally $80. Hallmaster 1,000-pound capacity, 1.5-inch by 10-foot ratcheting tie-down straps, 4-pack, $20, 20% off is solid. Hercules alert, and we will bring out the handy-dandy calculator for this one. Hercules, $99, 2-pack, extended performance lithium-ion battery bundle, 2 20-volt, 5-amp hour batteries at $100, $35 off of $135, 26% off. Super solid if you're looking to get some batteries and quick interjection, instant savings as we move through March 5th. We'll look at all the deals because these are the ones that are potentially able to stack with other deals because no coupon needed. Instant savings is just a new lower price, and 99 out of 100 stores will honor that. Could be different though, new year. We keep going. Pittsburgh, lifetime warranty, fully polished, combination wrench set, 9-piece, your choice, $8, 20% off. Banks 18-gauge 2-in-1 brad nailer and narrow crown stapler, $25, $40 normally, down to $25, 37% off for an instant savings. That is a deal. Warrior 4.5-inch by 7/8 by type 27 flap disc and fiberglass backing with fiberglass backing and aluminum oxide grain. 60, 80, and 120 grit availability, $3, normally $5, 40% off. And we have 10-ounce cherry gel pumice hand cleaner, $3. The Gojo, $4, 25% off. Merlin 3/8-inch by 50-foot rubber air hose, 1/4-inch MPT fittings, $22, 12% off. Central pneumatic brass air tool accessory kit, 12-piece, $10, 33% off. Super solid, normally $15. Tarp Bros 7-foot by 9-foot all-purpose weather-resistant tarp 4mm, $4, normally $5, 20% off. Love to see it. 30 caliber ammo box for $329, normally $7, 52% off. This is like an instant savings dollar day. Hardy pigskin leather work gloves, medium, large, extra large availability, $4, 33% off. We got the Berger, still don't know. Welding brush set, 2-piece, $4, 20% off. Solid deal. Central pneumatic 20-ounce HVLP gravity feed air spray gun, $20, 33% off, normally $30. Then we do have a coin alert. 3/8-inch drive SAE and metric master impact socket set, 48-piece, $85, $15 off. That's the bare minimum compared to Milwaukee. Solid. Hopefully, within the next 5 to 6 weeks, we'll be able to stack some of these. Pittsburgh 15-pound capacity telescoping magnetic pickup tool, $4, normally $5, 20% off. Warriors 18-volt cordless 3/8-inch drill kit with battery and charger, $25, 16% off. Pittsburgh 6-inch magnetic parts holder, $2, normally $4, 50% off. Great deal on the 6-inch parts holder. We have Pittsburgh curved jaw locking pliers set, 3-piece, $10, 16% off. Predator 8 horsepower 301cc horizontal shaft engine, $230, $20 off. That's a Hiroshima bomb radiation every 2 hours, every hour. Yeah, you get it. Hallmaster 1467-pound capacity, 2-inch by 20-foot E-track ratcheting tie down, $9, normally $11, 18% off. Hercules alert again, the hook and loop corner detail sanding sheets with ceramic alumina grain 5-pack, $5, 28% off. Vanguard 15-foot by 16 and 3-gauge indoor-outdoor extension cord for $7, 30% off. And Pittsburgh 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch dual drive extendable ratchet, $12, only $18, 33% off. Excellent deal. And we have more Pittsburgh, the 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drive star bit socket set, 9-piece for $5, 50% off. Great deal. Bauer 3-inch by 21-inch sanding belts with zirconia alumina grain, 3-pack, $5, 37% off. Wow, these instant savings are doing pretty good. Warrior magnetic nut setter set, 9-piece, your choice of SAE or metric, $3, normally $4, 25% off. More Warrior 1 3/8-inch plunge flush cutting blade for oscillating multi-tools, $5, 44% off, normally $9. Stick Tech, the original Stick Tech 60-yard by 0.94-inch painter's tape for $5, 16% off. Foam kneeling pads for the loved ones, $5, normally $7, 28% off. The 6-inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader, average size, if you need help spreading, $279, 30% off. Excellent deal. Adjustable wrench set from Pittsburgh, 3-piece, $10, 23% off. Foldable earmuffs for $6, 14% off, normally $7. And we have Merlin air blowgun with extensions, 5-piece, $6.99, normally $8.99, 22% off. Pittsburgh socket rail, your choice of 1/4, 3/8, or 1/2-inch, $129, normally $2, 35% off. Warrior security bit set, 33-piece, $3.99, normally $6, 33% off compared to Klein Tools. And we have Merlin dual head air chuck inflator gauge, 2-piece, $10, normally $13, 23% off. The Franklin one-step folding stool, $6, normally $8, 25% off. Solid for a one-step folding stool. Merlin 1/4-inch steel industrial quick coupler set, 5-piece for $4, normally $5, 20% off. We have Pittsburgh again, the socket tray organizer, 3-piece, $8, 20% off. Pittsburgh's oil filter pliers for $5, almost 40% off. That's a steal of a deal. Then we have an Icon Alert. Icon Alert at a great discount for instant savings. This is rare. Professional scraper, $10, 28% off, normally $14 compared to Snap-on. Great deal. Warrior 130-watt hot knife, $25, 16% off. The 250-pound pull retrieving magnet for $15, 25% off. Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, the 2-pound neon orange dead blow hammer, $8, 20% off. Franklin vacuum storage bags, 4-pack for $4, $7, normally 42% off. Great deal. Maddox 30-foot retractable test leads for $16, 20% off. Scrubbing towels, 72 count for $15, 16% off. And then some Bauer 5.5 amp cutout tool for $30, normally $35, 14% off. Carbide and spiral cut out bits sold separately compared to DeWalt. And those are instant savings. Maybe it's because we missed them. I missed them for a while, but it seems like they have some really good discounts, better than I'm used to seeing for instant savings. Maybe because they've been holding out. Icon for sure, but definitely some deep discounts. Let me know what the HARBROs think. Instant savings, a yay or a nay? Definitely sale items that we'll keep in mind as we go over the new deals that Harbor Freight will be releasing. And we'll leave it at that. Again, let me know your thoughts. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and or subscribing, and as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.